Passive income strategy. Why your car must pay you monthly dividends. I'm Ilya, I'm founder of ILIMOTOR automotive company, and I'm going to talk about this. We are pioneering in the world the first customer ownership business model that customers are owners of the company when they make a purchase. Let's say you want to buy a car. If you buy your car from ILIMOTOR, you're going to receive your car for free because the money that you want to spend for purchasing the car is completely considered as an investment at ILIMOTOR. And ILIMOTOR is going to issue you shares and plus give you the free car. It's real, people. And beside that, what's going to happen? Look, beside that, as time goes on, the company value is growing, the value of shares growing, the company is growing, making benefits, and you are going to receive dividends. Every month or every 3 months, you are going to receive some amount of money from ILIMOTOR, and it is just based on your investment that you put the money there. And also, you have the free car. The car is completely free for you, and it is completely for you. It is not leasing car. It is not for ILIMOTOR. ILIMOTOR will buy the car for you. It will be registered in your name. You will become the owner of the car first. Secondly, you are going to become the co-owner of ILIMOTOR and receive dividends as time goes on. And if the value of the shares are high or they are growing, you are going to make more money. And also you can resell your shares to the company, to ILIMOTOR, or you can trade them with other people or companies. That's what we are doing at ILIMOTOR. Hope you enjoy. If you love this idea, let me know your thoughts, comments, check other videos that we have, check our website, ilimotor.com. And also if you want to learn more, or if you want to make a purchase from ILIMOTOR, you can go to ilimotor.com, put your name and phone number on the homepage. We have one place there. We will contact you. Our team will contact you for free consultation. That's all. Love you all, and we do this, by the way, out of love. I love humanity. I want to add value into our societies. Love you, and watch the videos that pop up here or here. Till the next one.